In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the too many attempts login error on Deliveroo for 2025. You're probably here because you've encountered this pesky issue and are looking for a solution. Don't worry, I've got you covered. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve this problem in just a few simple steps. First things first, let's talk about patience. If you find yourself repeatedly hitting a login wall, the best thing you can do initially is to just wait. Yes, I know it sounds simple, but sometimes that's exactly what your account needs. Taking a short break of about 15 to 30 minutes can often resolve the issue. This waiting period allows Deliveroo's systems to reset your login attempts, offering you a fresh chance to successfully log in without triggering that error message. If waiting doesn't do the trick, the next step to consider is reinstalling the app. Start by uninstalling Deliveroo from your device. Once you've done that, go back to the App Store and download it again. This fresh installation can often clear out any glitches that might have occurred during previous sessions, giving you a clean slate. Remember to back up any necessary information before you uninstall, just to be safe. Now that you have a fresh app, make sure you're entering the correct login details. It sounds obvious, but in the rush of everyday tasks, it's easy to overlook a small typo or mistake. Double check your username and password. Sometimes the simplest errors lead to the most frustration, and correcting them could be all you need to get back into your account. Moving forward, it's important to ensure your app is up to date. Developers frequently release updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Go to your app store and check if there's a new version available. If there is, update the app to avoid any issues stemming from outdated software. This step is crucial because many login problems can be resolved by simply having the latest version of the app installed. After updating, try restarting your device. This is a golden rule in fixing tech-related issues. A restart can refresh your system settings and clear temporary bugs causing the login error. It's a small step, but an effective one. Finally, if none of these steps resolve your issue, it's time to reach out to Deliveroo Rider Support. They have dedicated teams to handle login issues and can provide assistance tailored to your specific problem. Contact them through the app or their official website for guidance. By following these steps, you should be able to get back to your app without much hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you overcome the login error and enjoy uninterrupted service with Deliveroo.